Hi friends, welcome to my channel. This video I will show you how to register in Bupa Health Insurance in a group secretary section. Okay, when we have agreement with Bupa Health Insurance or when our health insurance, our employees health insurance expired, okay, after once agreement done, they will give us the contract number. Using that contract number, we have to make register we have to make new registration, then only we can add or we can delete or we can use our Bupa Health Insurance section. Okay friends, the website. Okay, here I will show you link in description. Just click the link, then click login, then you just select group secretary section. You have to click registration. Okay, here this is the registration form. Here we have to give the first one is the contract number, the 10-digit contract number. When we have agreement, the time they given to us, that number we have to use. Now I am using our contract number. Okay, see, after that they will ask the email ID, authorized email ID. When we have agreement with Bupa Health Insurance, that time we given the email ID and contact number. That number we have to give here. Okay, I already given the email ID what we given to them. Then I already given our mobile contact number, mobile number. After that, login username, we have to create the new login username. So I am creating for our company, I am creating the username. Then I have to create a login password and re-enter password. I'm creating username password. Okay, after that there is a captcha down. We have to enter the captcha. Okay, after that we have to accept all the terms and condition. Okay, then you have to check everything. Okay, this is the registration form for a group secretary. So we can use this website for adding new employees or deleting new employees, or we have to change, or we can print invoice, we can print account section, everything. After submit, I'm selecting submit. Once we submit, see we will receive the OTP that our kafil or our general manager, okay, the registered number, we receive the OTP. That number we have to enter here. For here our HR manager will receive the OTP, so he will give us. Okay, now I am waiting for the OTP. Okay, now I received the OTP. See, now I am entering the OTP. Then again I have to give the captcha. Then I have to click continue. See, successful registration. The registration successfully completed. Okay friends, after that we can log in. When we can log in, it will not immediately, it will not update. It will take maximum 5 to 6 hours. Okay, we can log in after 1 or 2 hours. Then it will take the creating invoice, the account statement. It will take time. Okay friends, see, now I will show you. Now I am login group secretary. This is the user ID password for now what I created. Okay, I'm entering the captcha, login. See, please wait, because when we have done our registration, okay, after that they will accept. Okay, so they will give authorization to use this website. So it will take time, maximum 4 to 5 hours. Okay, after that we can use this website. Okay friends, if you have any doubt about this Bupa Health Insurance adding, removing, deleting, I already added more videos. Okay, you can check in my YouTube channel. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment section. I will reply you. Thank you so much. Please support and subscribe my channel. Thank you.